Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MemberPress on WordPress. First, you will install the plugin, then configure its settings, create membership levels, and finally set up your payment gateways. This process ensures your site can offer exclusive content and manage subscriptions effectively. We will cover each step in detail, making it easy to transform your WordPress site into a powerful membership platform. Get ready to unlock new possibilities for your online community. To begin, download the MemberPress plugin file from your account. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and upload the downloaded file, then activate it. Once activated, find the MemberPress settings in your WordPress admin menu. Here, you can configure crucial general options, such as your site's currency, and set up important pages like the login and account pages. This foundational setup is key for smooth operation. Now, let's create your membership levels. Go to MemberPress, then Memberships, and click Add New. Give your membership a clear name, set its price, and choose the billing type, whether it's one-time or recurring. After creating memberships, establish rules to protect your content. Navigate to Rules, click Add New, and specify what content, like posts or pages, requires a particular membership for access. This ensures only paying members can view exclusive material. The final crucial step is setting up your payment gateways. Go to MemberPress Settings, then the Payments tab, and add your preferred gateway, like Stripe or PayPal. You'll need to enter your API keys to connect securely. Next, customize your registration forms to collect necessary member information. Finally, it is vital to thoroughly test the entire membership sign-up process from a user's perspective to ensure everything works perfectly before launching your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.